Welcome to this tutorial on how to put a trailing stop loss in Interactive Brokers. A trailing stop loss is an essential tool for protecting your profits while allowing for potential gains as the market moves in your favor. Today, we will walk through the steps to set it up effectively. First, log into your Interactive Brokers account and navigate to the trading platform. Once you are on the trading screen, select the stock or asset for which you want to set a trailing stop loss. Click on the Create Order option and choose the type of order as a sell order. Make sure to specify the quantity of shares or contracts you wish to set the trailing stop loss for. Next, find the trailing stop option. You will typically have an option to set a trailing stop as a fixed amount or a percentage away from the market price. Choose the method that best suits your trading strategy. For example, if you select a fixed amount, you could set it to trail your position by $2. If you choose a percentage, you could set it at 5%. Enter your desired amount or percentage into the designated field. Finally, review your order details to ensure everything is correct. Once you are satisfied, submit the order. Your trailing stop loss will now be active. It will automatically adjust as the price of your asset moves in your favor, allowing you to lock in profits while minimizing potential losses. Remember to monitor your trades regularly to ensure that your trading strategy aligns with your investment goals.